Hi YouTubes. We're going to Legends Car Wash. Say hi.
Yeah.
This is our second time washing.
So we bought one for the Buick in the black car.
Yeah, I can't see you though. I need to see you.
Oh, I didn't know you were trying to see me.
Yeah, accept it.
I don't see them. It's telling me to see you.
Okay, hang up. I'll call you back.
There's the man. Ultimate Shield. Blue line.
There you are.
Red brush.
Oh, you're the Buick.
Oh yeah.
I don't blame you. Mommy, here, baby.
Whoop, whoop. Hold on. There we are. Say hi.
Hi there.
Hi. Legends
How are you?
Sonny's tunnel.
You
Good.
can't see the mommy.
You know what I look like and you point me at him.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Just you and I now.
I didn't go upload or you kidding me?
I actually didn't think of that. So you're back with me now. It's just you and I.
Do we have a soap?
Okay. What?
I did.
Yeah. Tell the YouTubers what's going on. No, honey. Look. It's me. Look.
We got
Just
brushes
me.
right here. And we got brushes right here, right?
I'm turning it so you can see the wash. You're right. These are softer emitters, honey. I'm looking at them. They look like towels, like what you shower with, like bath towels. And these brushes are softer too. What kind of wash is this, cameraman?
And there's actually another brush right here. Ooh,
These are
and look
softer
over here.
brushes.
Tri-foam.
Hey, look. Different colors.
Brands. We actually got
What are they?
turning blaster.
Yeah. And we got the wheel box and everything. Yeah, their emitters are as soft and looking right at them. They're like carpet now that I look at them.
Yeah, they look like carpet.
They look like carpet, don't they? Remember, we can't say names. ATM. I can say ATM on YouTube. So ATM, those look like carpet.
It's actually on the sunroof.
Oh, here we go to the strong dryer.
Yeah.
Oh, man. What kind
Rated
of dryer is it?
Service protection.
Proto.
Yeah, Proto
It's a
Vest.
Proto Vest.
Yeah, buff and shine.
Buff and shine.
That was our second time coming in here, right? That was our
Yeah.
second time, right?
Do we have chamois in the Buick still? Because I'm still early. We can drive. Guys, we're gonna get out and drive. Hop out right now.
All right.
Just kidding.
Oh, brush. Double
yeah.
brush.
Oh, this is the thing maybe you said drives your car.
And top brush.
Yeah, look at that.
Actually, there's a Proto Vest. Turn that way.
Not bad.
Please wait.
The best car wash. Wait, tell me when.
Go. Right. Yes, let's go.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye, YouTuber.
Remember to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Click like.
Okay, sweet. We're going to vacuum real quick and dry.